Hello everyone, we're still here in Ravenna for the Mosaic Biennale. We're still working at Koko Studios, and I'm here today with my friend Luca Barberini. We're looking at the condominium, and Luca, you were saying it's very rare to see it full these days. Is that true?
Yeah, yes, it's true. That project was born on 2013. More or less every year I can fill it like this in 3-4 times, not more. It's a catalog project. It's a way to represent a life inside this condominium. The complete catalog is online because here you can see only the windows available. And I produce more than 1,800 pieces now. At the 2000, the project will be finished, and so there will be the last 200 pieces.
Gosh.
Yeah.
So all of life is revealed here in your condominium, Luca.
Yes, of course. There's a really lively condominium. There's a lot of stuff from nonsense work because it's a really fresh inspiration when I work on it. And so sometimes there are no sense, sometimes there are a really deep sense. It depends on my day.
I know, and sometimes there's people relaxing and cooking, and sometimes they're murdering each other. It just depends.
It's a normal life.
I know, like life itself. Well done.